Have you ever wondered if that convenient all-in-one business solution you're eyeing actually locks you into a recurring payment? Those platforms that promise to handle your logo, your website, your business formation, all in one neat package. It sounds fantastic, right? A single point of contact for all your entrepreneurial needs. But a nagging question often lingers. Is Tailor Brands a subscription? Or is it a one-time purchase deal? And if it is a subscription, what exactly are you signing up for? This is a crucial question for anyone looking to launch or grow a business, because understanding the financial commitment upfront can save you a lot of headaches and money down the line. We're talking about more than just a logo here. We're talking about the backbone of your brand, your online presence, and even your legal standing. So, let's peel back the layers and get a clear picture of how Tailor Brands operates and what you can expect when you engage with their services. First things first. Yes, Tailor Brands primarily operates on a subscription model. This isn't a simple buy your logo once and you're done kind of platform if you want to unlock its full potential. While you can certainly preview logos and even download low-resolution versions for free, the real value, the high-resolution files, the website builder, the ongoing support, and many of the more advanced business tools are all tied to a recurring payment plan. Think of it this way. Tailor Brands aims to be your comprehensive business partner, not just a one-off tool. They offer a suite of services designed to support your business from its inception through its growth. This includes, but isn't limited to, logo design, website creation, digital business cards, social media tools, and even LLC formation services. To provide this ongoing support and access to their integrated platform, a subscription model makes sense for them. Now, let's talk about those subscriptions. Tailor Brands typically offers various tiers, often labeled something like basic, standard, and premium. The exact features and pricing can fluctuate, but the general idea remains consistent. Basic plan. This usually covers the essentials like high-resolution logo files, often in JPG and PNG formats, full logo ownership, and social media logo sizes. It's a good starting point if your primary need is a professional logo and basic branding assets. You might also get access to a simplified website builder, but with limited features. Standard plan. Stepping up, the standard plan typically includes everything in the basic plan, plus more robust features. This often means vector files like EPS and SVG, which are crucial for scalability and professional printing. You might also get a more comprehensive website builder, branded business decks, and access to additional graphic design tools. Premium plan. This is the full-fledged package, designed for businesses that need an all-in-one solution for their online presence and beyond. The premium plan usually includes everything in the standard plan, along with advanced e-commerce features, online store creation, social media auto-scheduling, and analytics tools. This tier aims to provide a complete ecosystem for running an online business. It's important to note that while the monthly pricing might seem a bit steep, Tailor Brands often offers significant discounts if you opt for annual or even multi-year commitments. This is a common strategy for subscription services to encourage longer-term engagement, and it can result in substantial savings for you if you're confident in committing to the platform. Beyond the branding and website tools, Tailor Brands has also expanded into business formation services, particularly for LLCs. If you choose to form your LLC through them, this service can also be tied into their subscription plans or offered as a separate package with its own pricing structure. It's crucial to differentiate between the cost of the LLC formation itself, which might be a one-time fee plus state fees, and any ongoing services like registered agent services or compliance assistance, which are almost always recurring. So, while the initial lure might be a quick and easy logo design, remember that Tailor Brands is selling an ecosystem. They want to be your go-to for not just your visual identity, but for your website, your marketing, and even the legal setup of your business. This integrated approach can be incredibly convenient, saving you the hassle of juggling multiple platforms and providers. Everything is streamlined, theoretically, under one roof. However, this convenience comes with the understanding that you are entering into a subscription. This means ongoing payments for continued access to their tools and services. If you decide to cancel your subscription, you might lose access to certain features like the website builder or premium design tools, though you generally retain the rights to the logo you created and paid for. Their terms of service usually clarify that full ownership of your logo is granted once you've paid for it, and downloaded the files, even if your subscription lapses. The key takeaway here is transparency. Before you dive in, take the time to review Tailor Brands' current pricing plans and understand what each tier offers. Consider your long-term business needs. Are you just looking for a quick logo? Or do you envision leveraging their website builder, social media tools, and other features for sustained growth? If it's the latter, a subscription model might be exactly what you need. If it's the former, you might find that while you can preview designs for free, the cost of high-resolution files might still push you towards a short-term subscription or a different, one-time purchase logo maker. The convenience of an all-in-one platform like Tailor Brands is undeniable for busy entrepreneurs. It simplifies the often complex process of building a brand and establishing an online presence. But that simplicity is built upon a foundation of recurring payments. Understanding this upfront empowers you to make an informed decision that aligns with your business goals and your budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.